Hey everyone, this is Riley from Riley's Big Box Breaks. I would just like to first of all apologize. This was supposed to be a live stream today, but due to some certain YouTube restrictions, because so many people are at home live streaming right now, channels such as myself are unable to do so as of right now today. Hopefully that should not be an issue going forward in the future. So I will pre-record this video for today. This is my very first box break. I would first just like to thank everybody who participated. It means the world to me, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. So thank you to everyone who participated in this break. Today we will be doing the 2019-20 Upper Deck Series 1 hobby box. So anyone who does get a hit card from this box, I will be shipping it out to you tomorrow, and I will get in contact with you right away. And if you unfortunately do not get anything from this box, I do have another one that is already up on eBay. This is the 1920 Series 2 Upper Deck. Those are going really fast, so you might want to get on there and get that one right away. I had a lot of great feedback on this first one so far. I really appreciate all the support from everybody. And yeah, it's just been great, so thank you so much. I had a lot of people messaging me saying that they were unable to get the teams they wanted because they do go so fast. So I do apologize to those people, but to everyone else who's participating, let's hope we get some hits. So without further ado, we're going to open this box. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to go over everyone and their teams. So we're going to start off with Chris, who has Anaheim, Carolina, Cody, who has Dallas, Daniel, who has Montreal, Eric, who has Los Angeles and Ottawa, Gary has Minnesota, Nashville, San Jose, James, you have Colorado, St. Louis, Jennifer, you have Arizona, Calgary, Florida, and the New York Islanders, Joe, you have Columbus and the Rangers, Jordan, you have Buffalo, New Jersey, and Vancouver. Roger, you have Boston, Chicago, Edmonton, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Tampa Bay, Toronto, Vegas, and Washington. And last but not least, we have Steve, who has Detroit and Winnipeg. So as some of you have noticed, I will be wearing gloves for this video, as I will do with all my videos. The reason for that is because I want to handle all cards with care, and I want to make sure that every card gets shipped out in mint condition to everybody. So this box today has 24 packs and 8 cards in each pack. All right, let's get to it. Starting off with Nikita Kucherov. And we got our first hit, Quinn Hughes. Perfect, that is great. I'm gonna put that right into a penny sleeve. Oh, that's a big one. Quinn Hughes rookie portraits. And that one belongs to Jordan. Congratulations, Jordan, on that one. And we have a Brady Keeper Young Guns that belongs to Florida. And the lucky winner on that one is Jennifer. Congratulations on that. I'm just gonna change the angle of the camera so you guys can all see it better. Perfect. I do apologize, this is my first video I have recorded, so my skills do need some work. Kyle Clutterbuck, Ryan Ellis, Brian Little. I would also like to mention that all base cards will be for sale as of now. First come, first serve on those. So if you are interested in any of the base cards open today, please send me a message either on YouTube, comment under the video, or even better, on eBay. I will get back to you right away. Ooh, Ben Bishop UD Canvas. Nice, and that one belongs to Cody. Congratulations on that one, Cody. Oh, and here it is, the Quinn Hughes Young Guns. We got her. And that belongs to Jordan. He's got Quinn Hughes UD Canvas, I believe, or UD Portraits, and a Quinn Hughes Young Guns. Nice pull. Now if we can get the Jack Hughes, we'll be all right. Boom, congratulations. I know that's one of the big ones for this box, and that's awesome. I'm so glad I can pull that one in my first ever box break. That's great. Boom, Henrik Lundqvist, UD Portraits. That one goes to Joe. Congratulations on that one, Joe. Boom. Oh, we have a Connor McDavid base. That's nice. And a Taylor Hall to go with it. Worst trade of all time was getting rid of Taylor Hall, as I'm sure all Oilers fans are aware of. Starting this one off with Drew Doughty. Ooh, Steven Stamkos Energy. Oh man, we're getting all the good ones in this opening. This is great. Boom, so that one, so Tampa Bay Lightning. That belongs to Roger. Congrats on that one. I know that so far, I've opened a lot of these sought after cards, which is great. So that must mean I have good pack luck. Sidney Crosby base and an Alex Pietrangelo. Starting this pack off with a Brett Burns. And we have a Jimmy Schultz Young Guns. That one goes to Vegas, so that one also belongs to Roger. I'm really hoping that everyone is able to get a card off of this break. So let's see what else we can pull. Starting off this pack with Dylan Strome. And then we have a Colorado UD canvas. That one belongs to James. James was actually the first to purchase from this break, so congratulations, James. Starting this pack off with a TJ Oshie. Oh, we got a Connor McDavid Shooting Stars. That's a nice pull right there. That's a beautiful card right there. Boom, and there we go. So congratulations to, that one also goes to Roger. He's getting some good luck today. Boom, Leon Draisaitl Energy. That's 2 Edmontons in a row. We got McDavid, now we got Draisaitl. I know that right now I'm pulling all the cards that people really wanted to get, which is great. Hopefully we get the Jack Hughes, and hopefully we get everyone else a team. There's 11 people participating in today's break, and I hope that everyone gets a card. Brock Nelson, UD Canvas, New York Islanders. So this one belongs to Jennifer. Congrats, Jennifer. And we have an Evgeny Malkin Energy. Pittsburgh Penguins, so that one belongs to Roger, who seems to be getting the best luck today. Kasperi Kapanen, one of my favorites. Max Jones Young Guns, that belongs to the Anaheim Ducks, so that one belongs to Chris. Congratulations on that one, Chris. Zach Hyman. Starting this pack off with a Jeff Carter, Derek Stepan, Austin Matthews base. And look at this one right here. That's a beauty. Anaheim Ducks, so that also belongs to Chris. 2 in a row for Chris, congrats. We got a checklist. Thomas Hertl, UD Canvas. Nice card right there. That one belongs to Gary. Congrats, Gary. Oh, beauty right here. We got a Wayne Gretzky. Edmonton Oilers. So that card belongs to Roger again. He's got 3 Oilers. 3 of the best. We got an energy card, Carolina Hurricanes. That one belongs to Chris. Leon Draisaitl base card. Nathan McKinnon. We have a Ryan McDonough base card, Tampa Bay Lightning, so that one belongs to Roger. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, and finishing that pack off with Ilya Kovalchuk. Tobias Bjornfort Young Guns, Los Angeles Kings. So this card belongs to Eric. Congrats on that, Eric. Okay, we're down to 4 packs left. Starting this one off with Tyler Bozak. And we got a Patrick Waugh, Colorado Avalanche. Colorado goes to James. The greatest goalie of the modern age, in my opinion, Patrick Waugh. And we have a Matt Waugh Young Guns. Perfect. So the Los Angeles Kings. That card belongs to Eric. Ew, Jack Eichel, UD Portraits. Buffalo Sabres, one of the best in the world right now for his age. So Buffalo Sabres, that goes to Jordan. That's a nice pull. Congrats on that, Jordan. All right, last pack right here. Let's get a big one. Alex DeBrincat, Next Generation. That's a good pull right there. Beautiful card. All right, Chicago Blackhawks belongs to Roger. And finish it off with Willie Nylander. Okay guys, so that is it. That is all 24 packs. So I'm just gonna go through each hit card and the winner, just so that everything is clear and there is no questions or controversy whatsoever. So I'm gonna go in order backwards. So as we just saw, we had the Chicago Blackhawks, Alex DeBrincat, that goes to Chris. Jack Eichel, UD Portraits, that belongs to Jordan. Los Angeles Kings, that belongs to Eric. Patrick Waugh, Colorado Avalanche, belongs to James. Another Los Angeles. Tampa Bay Lightning, that belongs to Roger. Carolina Hurricanes goes to Chris. Wayne Gretzky, this one goes to Roger. San Jose Sharks goes to Gary. Anaheim Ducks goes to Chris. Another Anaheim for Chris. Evgeny Malkin. Pittsburgh Penguins. This card belongs to Roger. New York Islanders goes to Jennifer. Leon Draisaitl and Connor McDavid. These cards both belong to Roger. Another Colorado Avalanche. That goes to James. Las Vegas Golden Knights. That goes to Roger. Alongside this, Tampa Bay Lightning. New York Rangers. This one belongs to Joe. Dallas Stars. This one belongs to Cody. Florida Panthers belongs to Jennifer. And then we got the two Quinn Hughes, Vancouver Canucks, so that belongs to Jordan. So congratulations to everyone who got a card off this one. Like I said, I got the next box right here. It is on sale right now on eBay. That's under Riley's Big Box Breaks. This one's already selling slots as the time of this recording. So get on that if you want a slot in that draw. Yeah, congratulations to everyone. I just want to thank everyone again for participating and for making this possible. Hope to see you on the next. Thanks. Bye.